Remember me? Well, yeah, you remember me? Well, this is my mommy and daddy. Oh, it's 5 o'clock, but don't tell my mommy and daddy this. Well, you're gonna see why I don't want you to tell my mommy and daddy. This is what I don't want to tell you. This is what I don't want you to tell my mommy and daddy. I could cook. Now we wait. Now we wait for a minute. Okay? Now let's wait. La 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 la, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I what you are. Okay, it's been a minute. So me and mommy and daddy had dinner last night. So, but mommy was too sleepy to do the dishes. But I did the dishes because I'm a good cooker, and I left them up here though. Let's get a cup of water for each one of us. This one is for daddy. This one is for mommy. Oops, that one is for me, I mean. And this one is for mommy. Yay! Okay, now I have one more hour because it's 6 o'clock. What is that smell? Did you cook? No. It isn't true because babies can't cook. Let's go eat whatever's on the table. Wow, there is actually, I didn't know. How did I know? Well, I don't really know. Okay, that's weird. Oh. Okay, let's just eat. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's eat. We forgot to put the dishes, but when mommy and daddy went, I did the dishes. What is that sound? I don't know. Mommy, I'm gonna go. Yeah, mommy. Nothing, it's nothing, mommy. Okay, sweetie. Hurry up. Okay. So what are you doing? I'm just eating still. Okay, sweetie. Hurry up, okay? Okay. Okay, I will. Okay. One more dishes to go. Okay, I done my food. Okay, sweetie, come on now. Okay, coming. Just a second. Okay, coming. Wanna wear your headband? Yay! Yes. Yay. Okay, let's take our first picture. Yay. Okay. Cheese. Okay. Okay. Now where do we go? I know. I know the movie. movie. Okay, let's go to see a movie. Let's get on the train.